Hello, this is Dave with Pressure Washing Guides. Just wanted to talk about a popular topic everybody I see online. I'm in a ton of good Facebook groups where we bounce a lot of ideas off. But one of the number one questions everybody talks about, how to land your first job. So I've been doing this about a year now, so I'm not a 20-year veteran, but I've went through the struggles recently of how to land my first jobs. It's very stressful. Do I buy door hangers? Do I knock on doors? How do you get it? So what I found in the very beginning that really helped me out a ton. One, I have a website. I made it myself through Wix. Wasn't the best website, but for 20 bucks a month, it's good. It's something. You then also have business cards and get yourself a couple yard signs. Now, at least where I'm at in Southwest Florida, I can't put yard signs up on street corners and stuff like that. They will actually fine you. So make sure you check with your local regulations to see if you're even allowed to do that. But what I found that really has helped, as you see behind me here, this is actually one of my neighbor's driveways. So I clean this for free. So I didn't know what I was doing. I was still trying to learn. I only had a 4 gallon per minute machine, a little surface cleaner. I needed to like build up experience and really be able to talk to what I know. So when you're trying to land your first job, if it is literally your first job, and that's you when you talk to someone, they're going to be like, "Oh man, this person doesn't know what they're talking about. I'm not going to hire them." But if you've done a couple driveways or house washes for free for friends, neighbors, things of that sort, you're going to have the confidence level that when you actually do talk to a potential customer, you know exactly what you're going to do. You're going to be like now, when I talk to someone, like, oh yeah, this I'm going to do a 3 step process. I'm going to pre-treat it. That's going to kill all the organic growth. Then I'm going to use a surface cleaner, and then I'm going to post-treat it. My 3 step process is not only going to clean it now, but it shouldn't come back for in a little while. So if you don't do the 3 step process and just use a surface cleaner, it could be 6 months before the growth actually comes back. But with a 3 step process using the solutions, it shouldn't come back for 2, 3 years. So doing it properly sets it up for the long run. So when you hit them with a sales pitch like that and let them know, hey, I've got my insurance if anything happens, like the more confidence you have and project, the more they're going to be like, all right, this is my guy. Um, so to give you an idea, I did this driveway for free. And as a caveat, I asked them two things. I said, one, can I put a yard sign in your yard? And I only put it in there for a couple weeks. And two, can you leave me a Google review? So I did that to 3 houses just on my road. I did my sister's, which is probably 10 minutes away, and then I did a couple other families. I did about I want to say 8 to 10 different ones for free. What's it cost? I'm using their water, I'm cleaning their driveway. Solution wise, might cost me $5 a month in solution. So who cares? So, for the small investment to actually be able to do that, $5 a driveway in an hour, 2 hours of time, I was able to get 10 Google reviews and I had 10 picket signs up in different neighborhoods. Well, next thing you know, what happens? Well, I get calls off my picket signs because they look up my company name. Oh, this company got 10 Google reviews. Boom, landed my first job. From that job, as I spent the time, like I said, I built a rapport with them. I really made sure that they were happy with the quality I did. Not only did they leave a Google review for me, well, the neighbor drove by. I on my trailer, I have all kind of signing. I it's all about appearance. Do you look like a professional company or do you look like someone that does it once a year for a little extra cash? You can make it by doing shoddy work and not looking professional. But the difference from looking professional, when people drive by, they have no problem stopping and being like, hey, hey, can I get a business card? Can I get a business card? And then that neighbor also sent me one of their friends, which was a paid customer. So it sucked because the first like month, I did 8 to 10 properties for free, and I'm like, man, I'm not getting anywhere. The next thing you know, I landed one. That one gave me another one. While I was doing that one, someone drove by, got a business card. Next thing you know, I got 4 or 5 gigs lined up, and you're off to the races. But the best way I highly recommend, let's recap how to get your first job. Do a couple of them for free, have a business card, look professional, get a couple picket signs, and build confidence. I don't care if it's in front of the mirror or with someone that you know. You should have your elevator sales pitch on exactly how you do the process and feel very comfortable talking about all the different scenarios. If you don't have the value and the confidence with them, they're not going to hire you. But I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see other videos like this or some other tips that you have with landing your first customer.